Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set a deadline on a particular Google form. Now, if you're hosting a party and you want a limited number of persons to attend and you want them to sign into your RSVP card at a particular time, you would want to set a deadline on that Google form. The first thing you want to do to achieve that is to ensure that you're properly logged into your Google Forms. Now, to get logged in, ensure that you have your Gmail address already added to your browser. All right, and then when you do that, you just head over to your browser and just type in Google Forms, and it will take you straight up to this dashboard too. This is what your Google Forms look like. To go on, the next thing you want to do is either start a new form, work with any of these templates, or work with your recent form. So I'll just pick this particular template that I'll be working with, and then we'll have that open up. So I want to set a deadline for this event, and I want the participants to register at a particular time because my form would be expiring after that time. So the first thing I want to do is head over here. I already have my add-ons here, right, downloaded. So I'll just click on that and then pick this and go to configure. So this is how I can configure this particular Google form to set a deadline for my responders. So after a few minutes, I would show you how to add the deadline to this form. So this is what the form limit looks like. So I'll head over here, enable form at what day, year and month or hour and minute do I want this form to be enabled to. I would choose that. Let's say I want it to be open from Thursday, December 11th at this time, at this particular minute and hour, and that has been set. So I'll set disable time. So I want it to be disabled on Saturday the 13th. I'll set the time, the minutes, and all of that. So this form limit has been set. So I'll just pick this form limit to be set at one one form and then fill in all of this other information and then just click on save. So my form limit has been set and a deadline has been activated for this form. So after the specific time chosen, this form would expire and it would not be accessible. So this is how you can simply set a form limit or a deadline to your form so your responders can respond at a particular time. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was enlightening and you've been able to learn how to set a deadline to your Google form. Until next time, bye for now.